मोहित क्या खाना है?
भूख तो लगी है। ये प्राची ये ट्राई करे क्या?
Are you serious? पागल हो गया?
या अरे नो, दिस इज थाईलैंड का स्पेशलिटी।
Oh my God.
लेट्स ट्राई, लेट्स गो, चलो। क्या ये बैंकॉक की खाओ गली है?
It is one of the Bangkok khao gullies.
लेट्स गो।
This is just reminding me of the movie Mummy, Scorpion King, and I feel like they're going to crawl from under my skin.
Come on, eat it.
Oh God. Praise the Lord for making orange juice.
ये कोइंसिडेंस है कि तेरे पास थोड़ा डिसेंट चीज आया और मेरे पास स्क्विड आया।
Crocodile decent लग रहा है तुझे? But after this, I think our entire food adventure in Thailand is going to feel very normal.
Yes. You know where we are heading now, right?
We are headed
To George Fest.
The weirdest evening of my life by far.
Fried insects.
You seem very excited about this.
I'm not excited, but I know, like, I've eaten this in the past in Cambodia.
So what are we eating?
I don't know what are they called. Should we eat the smallest thing?
This is just reminding me of the movie Mummy, Scorpion King, and I feel like they're going to crawl from under my
मैं एक
skin.
बात बताऊं, मैंने ये जो स्कॉर्पियन खाया था इन एक्चुअली टेरेंचुला खाया था, स्कॉर्पियन नहीं खाया था इन कैम्बोडिया.
अच्छा नहीं था?
It was very bad. I tried the barbecued one. It was raw.
Okay.
So it has nothing inside. It's got like maybe this much juice. I thought fried वाले में वो juice है तो थोड़ा the fried one was worse.
Okay, so let's skip this. Let's eat the tiny ones.
Yeah, this one.
Can we just like try one and like not take a whole cup?
लेना यार. No, small cup.
Is there a very small cup? Very small cup?
Small, no.
Smaller than this? This is the smallest?
This is the smallest.
Okay.
So mom, make two.
One.
Only bus. That's it. Yeah.
What is that?
Spice. Put lots of spice. Put more spice. That much spice is enough? You
More
can
spice.
put more spice? No?
Yeah.
Yeah, spice.
What is this called? Ant? What is this?
She's saying all the best.
Oh, you know what's worse? You're supposed to poke and eat them.
You know what? I'm not going to overthink this. You know हम जवड़े खाते हैं? Like dried shrimp. It just really looks like that. So cheers.
Cheers.
It's actually not so bad.
Pakoda.
It's like a crispy.
You want to try some?
You should try. It's not so bad.
Okay.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah, it's quite good.
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy.
It's like chip.
Chip?
Yeah.
It is like
crispy,
chip.
Yes.
Yeah, try some from here.
Yes. I ate them and they were not so bad.
You know what? I am the intrepid traveler / intrepid foodie.
Come on, boy!
It doesn't grow on you.
See, I
The
tasted-
memories of Cambodia just came crawling back.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No, honestly, I ate it and it wasn't so bad. And I understood that the trick to do this is not overthink it. If you want to eat this, keep a drink handy.
And add more spice.
Mm.
How you eat this?
I am not eating the scorpion.
How? Just अच्छा इसमें सॉल्ट डाल रही है तो उससे कुछ शायद दैट सॉल्ट हाउ यू ईट फुल
Everything? You have to eat everything? Come on, mere sher, you can do it.
You're on YouTube.
We are on YouTube.
I have eaten this 10 years ago. I was much younger, much bolder.
And Abby's still alive, so it must
Oh
be
yeah.
okay.
He's right.
That's right. Oh, me.
It's okay, Mohit. It's okay.
Well done, mate. Well done.
It needs to taste it first.
Yeah, sure.
The taste.
Yeah. Oh, bite by bite. Savor it for a long time.
It's your turn.
I quit.
Oh, there's squid shot.
Okay, let's play Squid Games.
अच्छा पता है क्या? Scorpion मैंने try किया.
ठीक है.
Now this is your turn. Small, medium, large, XL.
देखो मेरे माउथ का साइज देख के.
XL, small.
Pick something your own size.
Small sold out. Small is sold out.
Okay.
Medium, 1. Oh, that's a squid, huh? And you have to have it live. But वो squid का ink wink नहीं निकालते हैं?
Look, मुझे नहीं पता. Am I going to survive after eating this? Oh, the squid ate that. Oh my god.
Yeah, you have to.
I think I'm.
Come on, eat it.
What is the squid doing inside?
Dying. Prachi, 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 prachi.
Okay, I can't pick it up only. From which side am I supposed to eat it? This or this? I am not doing it. I don't think I can do it.
Yeah, shut your eyes. Good idea.
पता मैं सीधा खा ही नहीं पाऊंगी उसको. उसके साइड से जो भी निकल रहा है.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Is it slimy?
Nice.
You want to try some?
All right, we are done. I was not going to swallow it. No way. It was not bad.
I have.
वो chili का taste अच्छा था. उसके the other side was oozing some black stuff. That is why I couldn't eat it. Praise the Lord for making orange juice.
अब we'll have some crocs. So crocodile की तरफ चलते चलते we found this squid shot.
Yeah.
And
But
अभी
honestly, squid shots were not as bad as.
खाने के बाद तो मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ.
तो तूने खाया ना scorpion?
Scorpion was not as bad.
Neither was the squid shot. Now let's try the croc.
Crocodile. I can see crocodile.
Let's go. So it's a crocodile, like a grilled crocodile?
I don't know. वो देखना पड़ेगा. Well, again, I've had a crocodile pizza.
Okay, that's most palatable because you
In
think you're
Cambodia?
just eating a pizza.
No, no. So crocodile, basically उसके tail में जो होता है वो सब meat होता है.
Can I eat a broccoli first?
Broccoli. One grilled crocodile and one this
Crocodile one.
Grilled
and one.
and
One.
both are grilled, no? Yeah, you will grill? Grill?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. Thank you.
Awesome.
What is this?
We are 20th in the queue.
Member.
This place is popular.
Yeah.
Matlab, we are already 86th in queue for the squid and 20th for the crocodile. You guys are popular. How much time? Time?
Time? How much time?
5 minutes.
What did the crocodile say to the squid?
What?
Cheers.
ये coincidence है कि तेरे पास थोड़ा decent चीज है और मेरे पास squid है.
Crocodile decent लग रहा है तुझे? वैसे मैं वो भी खाने वाली हूँ.
हाँ.
Okay, let's go.
But कैसे खाएं?
I'll find.
कटा ही नहीं.
ये कड़ा. And it's very nice.
Okay, तो a secret. I've had crocodile पहले, so I know how it tastes.
It actually doesn't taste bad. And squidding from the opposite side.
The same.
Actually, the sauce is also yum. The squid is quite nice.
ठीक है. Squid तो ठीक है.
Crocodile भी ठीक ही है. इसके साथ ये fiery chilies भी.
पता नहीं कौन से insects खाने के बाद तो
ये तो बहुत ही normal लगता है.
yes, this was our appetizer in Bangkok, Thailand.
Yeah, this is the way we welcomed ourselves to Bangkok.
With food that may or may not be food.
Yeah, food for some, adventure for some. But after this, I think our entire food adventure in Thailand is going to feel very normal,
Yes.
right?
Yes. प्राची देख क्या है मेरे पास।
जमूरे बंदर की
हाँ अभी तू खा, मैंने ये खाया है, पहले तू खा अभी।
ट्रैवल बंदर। Okay,
Yeah.
going for the dancing prawn. Wait,
Go
I
for
will
it.
scoop for my
Okay.
my own. It's actually not bad. So lemony,
Lemony, spicy,
citrusy.
alive, fresh.
Not anymore. Fresh. I think that's the only reason why we are eating it, because it couldn't get fresher.
Yeah. तो अभी ये इतना सारा
क्रीपी क्रॉली खाने
के बाद
बहुत
ये
नॉर्मल सा दिखने वाला
पोक स्पाइन सूप।
You can just see the whole spine.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it on this side. Oh, you can, you can.
फैट है, मीट है,
Unbelievable number of.
चिलीज।
Oh my God, look at that. Now eating those could be
Wow.
weird. It's like eating thecha.
Been there, done that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to try the broth first. Wow, it's like pani puri का पानी, खट्टा और तीखा.
नहीं पानी पूरी का पानी तो नहीं है,
बिल्कुल
टेस्ट करने
वही
दो।
है. It's like a minty chili citrus.
खट्टा मिंटी।
पानी पूरी का पानी.
I think the difference is the chili.
Yeah, are these bird eye chilies?
Yeah, they are.
I'm struggling to get the meat here.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just going to have to go the desi way because I'm not getting any.
Yeah, just go for it. Seriously, ये इतना insect, crocodile, prawn, live prawn खाने के बाद ना squid, ये तो बहुत tasty है.
It's actually very nice. But that broth is amazing. वो सबसे पहले खाना चाहिए था because it's so appetizing.
You know, if you saw this outside, they're using a torch to blaze it. Oh, the fat. Yum.
But you got to combine it with the broth because the broth is actually superb. ये खाने के बाद मुझे actually कहने का मन कर रहा है कि मजा आ गया. इसके पहले बाकी लोग हमारा मजा ले रहे थे.
हाँ.
Especially our producers who are vegetarian and mocking us and instigating us to eat more of the videos.
Yeah.
Guess what? We did it.
So, rating the fried insect, I think it was locust.
I don't know what it was, locust or, but it was a very crispy. It was not a creepy crawly, it was a crispy crawly, and it did taste like fried dry prawns.
Yes.
So it was actually 8 on 10, and far more palatable than it looks.
8 on 10 तो नहीं था.
Are
6.5. Like I won't eat it again. 6.5 on 10.
I might eat it again actually.
Scorpion that I ate.
That I did not eat it.
Although I ate it again, but I will never eat it again.
Okay, no love lost then.
Wow.
Oh, live squid, honestly, it by itself had no taste. That chili sauce syrup, that was the only thing that was making it work. So I would give it like 3 on 10. Grilled squid and grilled crocodile.
Grilled crocodile 8 on 10. I quite like it.
Actually, right.
Chicken है, sauce बहुत अच्छा है, अच्छे से grill किया है.
Chicken नहीं है.
Chicken के जैसा है, taste wise, it's grilled well, plus the sauce is nice.
It's actually tasty. I would give it a 9 on 10 actually.
And this?
This is also nice. It's a little chewy, but I think that's its texture, right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be. So this is 8 on 10.
5. Dancing prawns.
Just because they are dancing, I'm tempted to give it more.
Yes.
More.
I would give it an 8 on 10 for sure.
Yeah, it was an entertaining dish. A little scary in the beginning, but I would give it like 7 on 10.
ये इतना अच्छा है ना, इसको हम टेबल पे रेट करेंगे 10 on 10.
Complete. Full marks. That's it. Very nice.
I think it was a appetizing start. Not so appetizing start to
Those who are watching, but for the ones who were eating, it was actually fairly appetizing.
fairly appetizing, yes. On that note, आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, पूछते रहिए, खाने में क्या है.
And you know what? Like,
Share, comment, subscribe, eat. It's a dare. It's a double dare. प्राची, और कुछ खाना है?
Kapunka.
खापन का. ये लोग ग्लव्स पहन के खा रहे हैं.
Yeah?
ये लोग ग्लव्स पहन के खा रहे हैं.
I'll have a chas then.
तुम खाओ, मैं
I
जाके
don't mind having chas.
at night.
I don't mind having chas.
Cut.